Moasure is the world's first motion-based measuring device. It's using accelerometers, it's using gyroscopes, it's measuring thousands of times per second. And when we place it and keep the device stationary, all of that information is recorded as points.
Being able to just take those measurements and, have it in a CAD layout instantly versus having to, redraw it and, write all the measurements down, things like that. Like, it's great to see the efficiency and really grow the technology within our team.
Measuring in a straight line, it doesn't matter what obstacles are in the way, because it will just measure through obstacles like they're not there.
That's badass.
It is recording in 3 dimensions, whether or not you ask it to.
Exactly as you say, whether you want it to or not, it will.
I'm already thinking it's going to save me about a day's worth of work. Once you get the hang of it, 100% think you're going to be reaping the rewards in your professional life.
We've got people splashing around in puddles.
Yeah.
It's in snow, in sand, in mud. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's IP67, completely waterproof. You can just keep measuring as much or as little as you wanted. The largest one I saw was a 10 million square foot measurement.
Wow.
Any complex area, you can calculate volume. So you can do complete topography and measure total areas.
So I can estimate my disposal costs as well as my material costs. Wow, that's totally amazing.
The contour lines is huge. Being able to see topography, kind of crazy, but you can see it at your fingertips. You can get accurate measurements and accurate dimensions, and you can actually make it a reality.
We listen to what our users say, and we are constantly working on new developments. Every time we give an app update, it's completely free.
It's all this stuff that we've been looking for and needing and wanting in one package.
I need to get it back before you take it away from me.
Exactly.
Fantastic.